Welcome to the OverDrive tutorial presented by the Indiana Free Library. You will begin by going to the Indiana Free Library website. Go to www.indianafreelibrary.org. You will want to click on the Library to Go icon. This will take you to the Johnstown District Library's OverDrive page. If this is the first time you are using this service, you will need to download and install the OverDrive Media Console. You will only have to download the software to your computer one time. Scroll down until you see the digital software on the left side of the screen. Click on OverDrive Media Console. This is for audiobooks. This will take you to the OverDrive Media Console download page. You can download the Media Console on a PC or a Mac. You can also download it to a mobile device such as an Android, BlackBerry, iPhone, or Windows mobile device. Today we are using a PC, so I want to make sure the Windows dot is checked. Then click on the Download Now button. This will launch a download window. Go ahead and click on Run. You will want to click on Run again in the Security window download. The OverDrive Media Console Setup Wizard will pop up. Click Next. Please take a moment to read the license agreement carefully. Click I agree and then Next. The next screen will ask you where you want to install the OverDrive Media Console. I am going to leave with the default setting. Also, users can choose to download for only themselves or for everyone that uses this computer. I'm going to choose to download for everyone. Click Next. Once again, click Next to begin the installation. This may take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, you can close the wizard. Now you are ready to download and enjoy audiobooks. Return to the Johnstown District Library OverDrive page. There are several ways you can search for books. First, in the center of the page, you can browse by new editions, always availables, the most popular, or just returned. Also on the left side, you can search by category, such as fiction, historical fiction, juvenile fiction, modern literature, mysteries, or nonfiction like biographies or history. Today we are going to be searching for a particular title, so we are going to be using the search. There is a simple search on this page, or you could do an advanced search. We will use the simple search. One important thing to remember is the format we're looking for. Audiobooks are going to be in a WMA or an MP3 format. For an ebook, you would look at a PDF or an EPUB. Today, let's search for a WMA file. You're going to type in your subject in this box. And click Go. We have 5 matching titles for this search. As you can see, this title says Hold this title, which means it's checked out. Let's find one that's in. We know that this one is in because it says Add to Cart. For more information, click on the title. On this screen, we can see more information about this title. We can see the name of the book, the author, and the publisher. We can also see that it is a WMA file. If you scroll down, you can see that it plays on a PC, a WMA, or an iPod device. We can also see a description of the title, some suggestions of books you might like, and information about the digital rights of this title. If you would like to check out this title, you need to add it to your cart by clicking Add to Cart. This will take you to My Cart. Right now, the only title showing up is the one that we have just chose. You can continue to browse. If you want to get back to your cart, just click on the My Cart. Let's proceed to checkout by clicking on Proceed to Checkout. Here, you are going to need to log in. In the drop-down menu, choose Indiana Free Library. Next, type in your library card number in the box. Your library card number is on your library card. If you do not know your library card number, ask someone at the library. Click Log In. On the checkout page, you will see the lending period, which for this title is 7 days. You will also see some important notes, such as that you may check out 2 titles at a time. Currently, we have 0 titles checked out, so after this title, we will still be allowed to check out 1 more. Next, we will confirm our checkout. Next, you will download the title to your OverDrive Media Console by clicking on the Download button. Some computers have Internet Explorer security pop-ups. Go ahead and click Allow if this happens. The OverDrive Media Console will open automatically. When the Get Media box appears, click on OK. You will need to create a default download folder by clicking Yes. You can choose to download the entire audiobook or just part of it. For this tutorial, we will just download the first part of the book. I'm going to uncheck the top box, which will uncheck all of the boxes, and only check the Part 1 box, and then click OK. You can see the progress at the bottom of the Media Console. This may take a few minutes depending on how big the file is. Part 1 is now downloaded. You can listen to your audiobook on your PC by clicking the play button. The console has a typical player with typical controls at the bottom, such as pause, stop, or fast forward or rewind. You can also see media markers, so if you need to stop your audiobook, you can start at the marker that you were at the next time you listen. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed downloading and listening to audiobooks from OverDrive. If you have any other questions, please contact the Indiana Free Library.